बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने प्रैक्टिस सेट 2.1 के 1 से लेकर 5 तक के क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन को समझे थे। आइए देखते हैं 6 क्वेश्चंस। Now the sixth question is find the side and perimeter of a square whose diagonal is 10 centimeter. Now let us consider quadrilateral ABCD is a square and the value of diagonal is given here. It is 10 centimeter. Now write down here. Let quadrilateral ABCD is a square and the side of the square is let it be x centimeter. Therefore, we know that all sides of a square is same. All angles are right angle and angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Now our aim is to find the side and perimeter. Therefore, if we take triangle ABC, now in triangle angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. It is angle of a square. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Write down here. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. Now substituting the values we get here. Now the value of AC is given here 10. Write down here 10 square is equal to AB x and BC is also x. X square plus x square. Now solve it. 10 square means 100 is equal to x square plus x square 2x square. Now dividing by 2 we get x square is equal to 100 upon 2. Cancel it. 2 ones are 2 5s are 0. Therefore we get value of x square is equal to 50. Now taking square root on both sides, we get x is equal to square root of 50. Now, look at here. 50 is not a perfect square. Therefore, find out the factors of 50 such that one number should be a perfect square. Therefore, x is equal to, we can write here 25 into 2. Here 25 is perfect square. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 5 square root of 2 centimeter. Now it is side of the square. Write down here. Therefore, side of the square is 5 square root of 2 centimeter. Now and next one is perimeter of a square. Now we know that perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Now substituting the values we get here 4 into. Now the value of side is 5 square root of 2. Now solve it. 4 5s are 20. 20 square root of 2 centimeter. It is the value of perimeter of a square. Now write down the answer. Therefore, side of a square is 5 square root of 2 centimeter and parameter is 20 square root of 2 centimeter. Now look at the next question. In figure, angle DFE is equal to 90. Now look at the figure here. DFE triangle. It is a triangle in which DFE is equal to 90. F is perpendicular ED. Now look at here. It is perpendicular ED. GD is equal to 8. Value of GD is given here 8 and the value of FG is equal to 12. Then find EG, FD and EF. Now the first one. Write out the solution here. First, our aim is to find the value of EG. Look at the diagram here. It is perpendicular ED in right angle triangle. Therefore, in triangle DFE, angle DFE is equal to 90. It is given. And FG perpendicular ED. FG, it is perpendicular ED. Therefore, by property of geometric mean, write on here, FG square is equal to EG into GD. Therefore, FG square is equal to EG into GD. Write down inside the bracket. By property of geometric mean. Now substituting the values we get here. FG, the value of FG is 12. 12 square is equal to, find out the value of EG into GD is 8. Therefore 12 square means 144 is equal to EG into 8. Now dividing both sides by 8, we get EG is equal to 144 upon 8. Now cancel it. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 6s are 24. Then 2 1s are 8. Therefore, the value of EG is equal to 18. It is the answer of first one. Now second. Now look at here. Second is FD. Now FD means this one. Now look at the figure carefully. FD मालूम करने के लिए इस ट्रायंगल पे ध्यान दीजिए. ये ट्रायंगल राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. यहाँ ये साइड की वैल्यू दी गई है, इस साइड की भी वैल्यू दी गई है. हाइपोटेनस की वैल्यू हमें फाइंड आउट करने का है. तो यहाँ हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम का यूज करके FD की वैल्यू मालूम कर सकते हैं. देयरफॉर इन ट्रायंगल FGD angle FGD is equal to 90 degree. It is given. Therefore, look at here. Hypotenuse is DF. Therefore, DF square is equal to GD square plus GF square by Pythagoras theorem. Now substituting the values we get here. DF square is equal to GD means 8 square plus GF means 12 square. Therefore DF whole square is equal to 64 plus 144. Therefore df whole square is equal to, now add these two numbers, 4, 4, 8, 6 plus 4, 10, 0, carry 1, 2, 0, 8. Taking square root on both sides, we get df is equal to square root 208. Now 208 is not a perfect square, therefore factorize 208 such that one number should be a perfect square. Now साइड वर्क कर लेते हैं हम. 208 के फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने का है, ध्यान दीजिए. 4 5 20, 4 2 8, देन 4 से 4 1 4, 4 3 12, then 13 1 13. The factors of 208 are 4 into 4 into 13. Now therefore we can write here 16 into 13. Therefore now square root of 16 is 4. df is equal to 4 into square root of 13. It is answer of df. Now third. Now look at the question. Third one is EF. EF means this one. Now again it is a right angle triangle. ध्यान दीजिए, ये जो ट्रायंगल है ये भी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. 12 हमें पता है, EG की वैल्यू हमने फाइंड आउट किया है, तो हम EF यहाँ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम से मालूम कर सकते हैं. इसलिए हम लिखेंगे इन ट्रायंगल FGE angle FGE is equal to 90. It is given. Now by using Pythagoras theorem, EF square is equal to FG square plus EG square by Pythagoras theorem. Write down here. Now substituting the values we get here EF. The value of EF is find out. Therefore EF square is equal to FG means 12 square plus EG. EG from equation 1 we get here 18. 18 square. Therefore EF square is equal to 144 plus 18 square. Now the square of 18 is 324. Therefore EF square is equal to, now add these two numbers, 4 4 8, 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 4. We get here 468. Now taking square root on both sides, we get EF is equal to square root of 468. Now again 468 is not a perfect square. Therefore find out the factors of 468 such that one number should be a perfect square. 468. 6 7s are 42, remaining is 4, then 6 6 are 48. Now again 6 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Now 13 in 1. Now the factors 6 into 6 into 13. Therefore we can write here 36 into 13. Therefore the factors of 468 is equal to 36 into 13. Now here 36 is a perfect square. Therefore the value of EF is equal to 6 into square root of 13. Therefore EF is equal to 6 into 13. Next question is, find the diagonal of a rectangle whose length is 35 cm and breadth is 12 cm. Now first draw a rectangle here. A, B, C, D. Length is 35 centimeters. Write down here 35 centimeter, and breadth is 12 centimeters. Now we know that angle of a rectangle is 90 degree. Now write down the solution here. Let quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle whose length is 35 centimeter. Now in the diagram, BC is equal to 35 centimeters, breadth is 12 centimeter, AB is equal to 12 centimeter, and angle of ABC is equal to 90 degree because it is angle of a rectangle. Now in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90. Now our aim is to find the diagonal of a rectangle, means the value of AC. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, now it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now substituting all the values, we get here AC square is equal to AB means 12 square plus BC means 35 whole square. Now solve it. 12 square means 144 plus, now 35 square. Square of 35 is 1225. Therefore, AC square is equal to, now add 4 plus 5, 9, 4 plus 2, 6, 1 plus 2, 3, 1369, 1369. It is a perfect square. Now taking square root on both sides, we get the value of AC is equal to, now it is square of 37. Therefore, AC is equal to 37 centimeter. Now write down the answer here. The diagonal of the rectangle is 37 centimeter. Now the next question is, in the figure, M is the midpoint of QR. Angle PRQ is equal to 90. M is midpoint of QR and angle PRQ is 90. Prove that PQ square means this one is equal to 4 PM square minus 3 PR square. Now write down the solution here. M is the midpoint of QR. Now look at the figure. Therefore, Rn is equal to MQ is equal to half of RQ. Give it equation number 1. Now in triangle PRQ, now look here, PRQ triangle, it is 90 degree right angle triangle. Therefore, in triangle PRQ, by Pythagoras theorem, PQ whole square is equal to PR square plus RQ square. Give it equation number 2. Write down here by Pythagoras theorem. And in, now look at the figure here. In triangle PRM, it is also a right angle triangle, this one. Therefore, in triangle PRM, PM whole square is equal to PR square plus RM square. Write down here by Pythagoras theorem. Now look at here, from equation 1, Rm, it is replaced by half of Rq. Therefore, Pm square is equal to PR square plus, now Rm, it is replaced by half of Rq whole square from equation 1. Write down here. Now solve it. Pm whole square is equal to PR whole square plus 1 upon 4 into RQ whole square. यहाँ ध्यान दीजिए, हमें 4 डिनोमिनेटर में मिला है, हम 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. Therefore, write down here multiplying both sides by 4. Now we get here 4 into Pm square is equal to 4 into PR square plus, now here 4 or 4 cancel, RQ whole square. Now look at here, our aim is to prove that PQ, PM, PR, मतलब यहाँ से PM, PR, इसकी हमें ज़रूरत है. RQ ये नहीं चाहिए बल्कि हमें PQ चाहिए. तो हम इक्वेशन 2 से RQ स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू PQ स्क्वायर माइनस PR स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं. तो इसलिए हम लिखेंगे यहाँ पर, ध्यान दीजिए, 4PM स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4PR स्क्वायर प्लस, नाउ RQ स्क्वायर इट इज रिप्लेस बाय PQ whole square minus PR whole square from equation 2. Now solve it. 4 PM whole square is equal to, now look at here, 4 PR square minus PR square, we get 3 PR square plus PQ square. Now PQ square is equal to 4 PM square minus 3 PR square. Now shifting 3 PR square to left hand side, we get 4 PM square minus 3 PR square is equal to PQ whole square. Now it can be written as PQ whole square is equal to 4 PM स्क्वायर माइनस 3 PR स्क्वायर. ध्यान दीजिए, क्वेश्चन में जो दिया था हमें यही प्रूव करना था, ये हमने यहाँ पर प्रूव किया है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, walls of 2 buildings on either side of a street are parallel to each other. A ladder 5.8 meter long is placed on the street such that its top just reaches the window of a building at the height of 4 meter. On turning the ladder over to the other side of the street, its top touches the window of the other building at a height 4.2 meter. Find the width of the street. Now look at here. First draw a diagram. Now walls of two buildings on either side of a street are parallel to each other. Let us consider buildings. Walls of the buildings are A, B and C, D. Now it is street. Now if we take ladder is this one. अगर हमने यहाँ ये ladder लिया, first window and length of the ladder is 5.8. It is 5.8. A ladder 5.8 meter long is placed on the street such that its top just reaches the window of a building at the height of 4 meter. Means it is a height of 4 meter. First building. Now on turning the ladder. Now the length of the ladder is same here. If we turn this ladder, now the second window is at this one. Look at here. It is also 5.8 meters. On turning the ladder over to the other side of the street, its top touches the window of the other building. Means it is window of the other building. At a height 4.2 meter. Now the height up to the window is 4.2 meter. Find the width of the street. Our aim is to find the value of AC, means length of AC. Let us consider first window. Point at first window is P and second window is Q, and here take the point R. Now write down here in the figure. Walls of the two buildings A, B and C, D are parallel to each other. And length of ladder PR and second position is RQ. Therefore, PR is equal to RQ is equal to 5.8 meter. And first height AP is equal to 4 meter and CQ is equal to 4.2 meter. Our aim is to find the value of AC. Now the wall is perpendicular on the ground, therefore the angles are 90 degree. Therefore in triangle PAR, angle PAR is equal to 90 degree. It is given. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PA square plus AR square. Now substituting the values, we get PR means 5.8 whole square is equal to PA means 4 square plus AR square. Now it can be written as AR square is equal to, now shifting 4 square to the left hand side, we get 5.8 whole square minus 4 square. Therefore AR square is equal to 5.8 into 5.8. Now रफ वर्क करके हम यहाँ सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. 5.8 को 5.8 से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. पॉइंट पे ध्यान नहीं दीजिए, पहले सिंपली मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए. 8 8 सा 64, 4 कैरी 6, 8 5 सा 40 मीन्स 46. 5 8 सा 40, 0 कैरी 4, 5 5 सा 25 प्लस 4 29. Now add 4 6, 4 plus 9 13, 3 carry 1 3, 33. Now look at here. यहाँ एक डिजिट के बाद में डेसिमल है, यहाँ भी एक डिजिट के बाद में डेसिमल है, यानी टोटल डिजिट हो गए 2. इसलिए आंसर में हम 2 डिजिट के बाद में डेसिमल लगाएंगे. तो हमें यहाँ वैल्यू मिलेगी 33.64 माइनस 4 स्क्वायर मीन्स 16. तो 33.64 में से 16 हमें माइनस करना है. हम साइड में रफ वर्क कर लेते हैं. 4 6 साइड से एक कैरी लेंगे, 13 में से माइनस करेंगे हम 6 7, यहाँ बचा 2 2 minus 1 1. नाउ द आंसर गिवन हियर इज, हमें आंसर हासिल हुआ AR स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 17.64. Now taking square root on both sides, we get AR is equal to 70.64 square root. Now find out the square root of 17.64 by division method. Now look at here. .64 फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट. स्क्वायर रूट हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे दो नंबर्स की. यहाँ पे पेयर्स बनाते हैं. नंबर ऐसा लेंगे कि इसका स्क्वायर 17 या 70 से कम आना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे नंबर आएगा 4. तो 4 4 सा 60. यहाँ 4 हम ऐड करेंगे. 4 प्लस 4 8. 17 में से 16 माइनस करने पर 1 आता है. पॉइंट लगेगा. अगला जो पेयर है वो हम पूरा लिखेंगे 64. ध्यान दीजिए. अब 8 के सामने यूनिट प्लेस पे ऐसा नंबर लिखना है कि उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर हमें 164 आना चाहिए या इससे कम. तो ध्यान दीजिए, अगर हम यहाँ 2 लिखते हैं, 2 2 सा 4 एंड 2 8 सा 16. तो ये हमें सॉल्व हो गया. यहाँ पे जो हम नंबर लेते हैं उसे ऐड किया जाता है. तो हमें यहाँ हासिल हो गया इसका स्क्वायर रूट 4.2. तो हम आंसर लिखेंगे देयरफॉर AR इज इक्वल टू 4.2 मीटर. गिव इट इक्वेशन नंबर 1. एंड नो लुक एट द फिगर हियर. सेकेंड राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल इज QRC. Therefore applying the Pythagoras theorem here and find out the value of RC. Now in triangle QCR, angle QCR is equal to 90. It is given. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, write down here, by Pythagoras theorem, RQ square is equal to RC square plus CQ square. Now substituting the values, we get here 5.8 square is equal to RC square plus CQ की वैल्यू दी गई है 4.2 होल स्क्वायर. Therefore now shifting 4.2 square to the left hand side, we get 5.8 whole square minus 4.2 whole square is equal to RC square. Therefore RC square is equal to, now 5.8 स्क्वायर, ये हमने अभी सॉल्व किया, हमें इसका आंसर मिला था 33.64. राइट डाउन हियर 33.64 माइनस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज 4.2. साइड में रफ वर्क कीजिए. 4.2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4.2. 2 2 सा 4, 2 4 सा 8, 4 2 सा 8, 4 4 सा 16, 4 8 प्लस 8 16, 6 कैरी 1 7. ध्यान दीजिए यहाँ भी एक डिजिट के बाद में डेसिमल है, यहाँ एक डिजिट के बाद में डेसिमल है. टोटल डिजिट हमें हासिल हो जाएगा 2. तो यहाँ आंसर में हम 2 डिजिट के बाद में डेसिमल लगाएंगे तो हमें इसका आंसर मिलेगा 17.64. ध्यान दीजिए 33.64 में से हमें माइनस करना है 17.64. माइनस कीजिए 0 0. साइड से एक लेंगे 13 मिलेगा. 13 में से 7 माइनस करेंगे हमें हासिल हो जाएगा यहाँ 6. यहाँ 2 माइनस 1 1. हमें हासिल हो गया 16. देयरफॉर RC square is equal to 16. Now taking square root on both sides, we get value of RC is equal to 4 meter. Give it equation number 2. Now AC, look at the diagram here. AC is equal to AR plus RC. Write down here. AC is equal to AR plus RC. Reason is ARC, collinear points. Now substituting the values from equation 1 and 2, we get here AR. The value of AR is 4.2 meter plus RC is 4 meter. Now add these two numbers, we get 8.2 meter. Write down here from equation 1 and 2. Therefore AC is equal to 8.2 meter. Therefore write down the answer. The width of the street is street is 8.2 meter. Allah Hafiz.